What's going on, everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today is February 26, 2021, and it is Friday, finally Friday. Actually, this week kind of flew by for me. I feel like it was just Monday, and then maybe it's because the market was so trash and I didn't pay attention to it. My days kind of just flew by because I was focused on work, which is probably, a better thing to be focused on, since work is constant and stocks and that are not very constant. They can go up and down like crazy. But anyways, I did not do a video yesterday for obvious reasons. There was nothing to see there. It was like a murder scene, and they don't allow visitors or the public to come to a murder scene right after it happens. So being respectful, I didn't show you my murder scene of a portfolio yesterday. And today, honestly, it wasn't that much better. It went down again. So on Wednesday, the last video I made, it was bad in the morning. I think it was that day. It was bad in the morning, and then it got better. And no, that was Tuesday. So Wednesday was just in general, it was a good day. And my Tesla stock had shot up. It was up like $3,000 or something like that. And then Thursday, the market just died, and well, my stuff at least, but most of it just died. And then I was hoping Tesla would come back up and do a little jump, but it never did, and I eventually sold it when it got down to about 705, and I can't remember how much I made. It was like 1,300, so I lost more than half of my profit. And I sold it for 1,300, and then I day traded it like all day Thursday. I did maybe 4 or 5 trades, about between $100 and $200 trades all day. And then on the last trade, I got scared and I took, I think, a $200 loss. And then I bought another one, and then I bought a call at the very end, right before it closed. And then if you didn't see what happened to Tesla yesterday afternoon, it was not pretty. It was very red, a bloodbath, some might say. And so this morning, pre-market, it kind of went up. It actually went up all the way back to what I had bought it at, and in fact I was actually positive around like 8:35, like 5 minutes after the actual market opens. And I was positive, and I was thinking, okay, it's making its comeback from yesterday and the day before. But then it crashed again, and then it literally just died. So the call I have is down 40% today, pretty much. I don't even want to see it. That's why I'm not clicking it. Whenever it's a very red day, I don't like to see how bad it is. So we're just going to look at whatever is green, which is not very much, especially in my options. I thought Apple did well when I was looking at it, but I guess it ended very poorly because I'm down 12%. Crown holding is the only thing keeping a smile on my face, because no other stocks are as consistent as Crown holding has been for me as of yet. Okay, so actually I didn't even look at the market today. This is the first time I'm looking at it after this morning, so it's all kind of surprising to me as well. Let's see. COTY went down. Kirklands is about the same. ZOM did a little comeback, it looks like. It's mainly in the after hours it did this comeback, but we're almost back in the $2 range with ZOM. Like I said before, this is a long-term stock. It's not, something that's gonna be like a WallStreetBets Reddit post and it's gonna shoot to $300 like GME. Zomedica is an actual company that does something, unlike Gamestop. Gamestop does something, but they're not doing enough. They're not keeping up with the times as much as they should. In my eyes, I think of GameStop like Radio Shack, if you guys remember that. But they got their True Forma coming out next month in March, I believe. They said they're gonna start trying to sell it. They even got another company that's a very big vet company that's going to be helping them execute the selling of it. So the future is looking very bright for this one, but of course it's going to come with a lot of time and patience and riding waves, if you want to call it like that. This is one of those that I just buy and forget it. Hope that one day, it'll be a double-digit stock price, or if I'm lucky enough, a triple digit. But yeah, my average cost, it shows at 0, but that's just because it's glitched out for whatever reason. My actual average is like 22 point something, so like 22 to 23 cents a share, and I got 39.67. So my actual profit, I paid about 1,000, between 900 and 1,000. So my actual profit's around 7,000, or a little bit above 6. So that's it with this one. It looked like they had a decent day. And then Save, so Spirit Airlines did okay. Marathon Oil, they deserve a little come down from their high. They've been chugging and chugging all week, as you can see. So of course there's going to be a little dip happening, especially with all this. I mean, I haven't been paying attention too much to the news, but something's going on with the oil, and so it didn't surprise me that it went down. And then what else we got? AMC's trash. Nobody cares about it anymore. Don't care about that one. USWS. It is pretty much the same. Like I said on my other video, I noticed USWS and ZOM almost copy each other for the most part. And looking at that chart and the ZOM chart, it didn't look too much, different than each other. So yeah, see, Apple, it did good when I was watching it. Like, this is when I stopped watching, right around here. And then, yeah, I don't know what the hell happened right at close. So we went from 124 to 121. And as you can see, my beautiful return, down 67%. Luckily, I got till April, halfway through April, to sell it. Who knows if I'm going to be able to. I think my break even, what is it? $140. Oh boy. We're at 121, and it doesn't look like we're going in the right direction if you look at the 1 week. I mean, it looks almost steady, but clearly it's down $6. 1 month, we're definitely not going. I don't know why I bought Apple. Now that I'm looking at these charts, it don't make no sense for me to buy it. Like, it's not doing anything positive. What about 3 months? So it looks like it came off its high horse right here, and then we're right there. And this was its peak, it looks like, in the last 3 months, was 142 or 143, somewhere around there. And my break even is 140, so I'm expecting it in the next month and a half to get back to that little peak it had back almost a month ago. That sounds like I got a lot to hope for. And then what else we got? Look at all that red stuff. The one that's going to be a good buy, CRM. They had their earnings, I think it was yesterday after hours. They beat expectations, and they had great sales, I think it said somewhere. I don't know why it got sold off, but that's just because everything's red, and tech is very sold off right now, especially. But I know one article said that they did crazy good sales, and the future's looking very bright for Salesforce. And yeah, so I think around the 200 range is when I would, like, I'll get a 2023 contract, if anything, if it goes down to 200 range, or like the low 200 range. That's the perfect buying time, I think, in my opinion. I don't know. And that's based off of based off of nothing, just a guess. And then the other one, GME, I thought it was going to have a crazy day because, like I said, when I woke up and I saw this, I was like, oh. everything's gonna be red except GME today. But nah, even GME took quite the hit. It is because it's Friday, and all these contracts expire, and of course the big boys, if you want to call them that, they're gonna be trying to bring it down so their puts are covered and whatever else. But I expect another run, maybe next week sometime. I know they keep on, pausing the stock whenever it does a run, so I'm pretty sure right here they probably paused it. I'm not sure, but that sounds like something they would do. I know they did it on Wednesday or Thursday, one of the days. I know they paused it when I was looking at it, and I think it was right before the market closed too. So they're gonna keep on, regulating it for whatever reason, but it's dumb because they'll regulate it when it goes up crazy, but they won't do it when it's going down like crazy. So it makes no sense to me. And the same thing is like with Tesla, if you think about it. Like the swings that Tesla has done in the past and even recently, you could compare it to GameStop as well. I mean, it's not the same amount of percentage, but it's still a big swing, and they don't do anything about that one. So it's kind of weird how they pick and choose what they're gonna regulate. That's pretty much it here. There's really nothing to see. We look at Twitter real quick, trending. I'm kind of curious about this boycott Wendy's. I don't know what it is. Look what I found in my burger today. Why they gotta Photoshop it so trash too? I mean, I guess maybe that's part of the funny, the humor of it, but okay. They really said nobody hurts our George. What is it? Streamer kid, we're all having a laugh. Ratioed by Denny's. Streamer kid, we're all having a laugh. Ratioed by Arby's. So Dream, I believe, is a streamer. He did something. Dream at Denny's. Maybe he's a Danny's fan. I don't know why I said Danny. Danny's fan? Should I ban George again? Oh, look at that, 69. What happened? I don't even know. I wish they would. Usually they say a little summary of what went down, but I guess not today. Yeah, see, like this one, they have the little why it's trending, what it means. But no, not on this one. So if you guys want to leave it in the comments below what went down, because obviously I don't know. I can't keep up no more. What in the... I ordered Wendy's and they gave me this. I want a refund. The Nasty Patty. What? I don't even get it. It doesn't... I guess he might have said something, I guess, during one of his streams about Wendy's, and he got sick or he found something in it, and then everyone went crazy about it. I don't know. I'm just guessing now. GameStop rally picks up again. And apparently that was yesterday. No, it didn't. That's all I got for you guys today. I'll just wrap it up here. I went off topic here at the end with this Wendy's thing. Let me know what this Wendy's thing is all about, and also what your portfolio looked like after this week. Hopefully next week's a lot better, a lot more greener than this. Earth Day's next month, so everything should be green for the month of March. Or at least I think it's in March. It might be April, but I think it's in March. So everything should be green all March. And then let me know what other stocks you guys are in that I should watch. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video.